Sometimes the most beautiful things are created from what the words forget: a dry twig, a little jute, and a quiet moment. This is not just a craft, this is the gentle reminder that even the simplest things you become art. It can become beautiful art. As these twigs come together piece by piece, they tell a story of patience, calm, and creativity. A story that says healing doesn't always come in words. In words, sometimes it comes through hands that create. In a busy full of noise, these rustic crafts become a peaceful escape, a moment to slow down, breathe deeply, and let your mind rest. Every wrap of jute, every teeny detail brings warmth, comfort, and a sense of joy because crafting is not only decoration, it's a therapy for the heart. So if your soul feels tired, create something beautiful because even dry twigs can bloom again when touched with love. Rustic, handmade, healing, and made with heart. Sometimes beauty begins with the simplest thing: a dry twig, a little jute, and a peaceful heart. This rustic craft is more than decoration, it's a moment of calm, creativity, and healing. As each piece comes together, it reminds us that even forgotten things can become something beautiful again. In a world full of stress and noise, crafting gives the mind peace and hands purpose and the heart comfort. Every twist of jute, every natural details brings warmth, mindfulness, and joy. Because sometimes the best therapy is to sit quietly and create the love, rustic, handmade, and made to heal. You can start with any one of these for a more vital feel. What if I told you even dry twigs can tell a beautiful story? Can you believe on this? This is not just a DIY craft. This is not just a DIY craft. This is a piece in handmade form. From broken twig to beautiful art, this craft feels like healing. If your mind feels tired, the simple rustic craft might be the therapy you need. Sometimes the most calming art is made from the simplest thing in nature. Create slowly, breathe deeply, and your hands heal your heart. Because handmade art is not just decoration, it's an emotional piece. Even the driest twigs can become beautiful, just like tired hearts can heal. Crafting is not a hobby, it's not just a hobby, only sometimes a silent therapy. Luxury aesthetic and the beautiful crafts make your home